So welcome. Today we are already at the market because we will have a little cooking video ourselves today, and we will show you all the fruits because we eat fruits in the morning or for breakfast, and we will show you what we have at home. We will buy some more, and we will also buy nice dinner ingredients for tonight, and we will show you how we are cooking at home, actually some local food, and so you see how we are living, how we are cooking, and yeah, that's how we go for shopping every other week. Gwynne goes very often. I sometimes join and I show my face around here because I never know what to buy, except for fish and vegetables. And I'm the fruit guy here, so I'm kind of getting the fruits and preparing the fruits in the morning because I like fruits. Yeah, this is it.
So this is Pasar Lama Langwan, and this is where we buy our everyday groceries and food and fruits and all ingredients for our cooking. So yeah, there's fish, bananas, everything you need here in Pasar Lama.
Here's the uncots driving around as well. Little buses. It's like little private taxis, just as a bus, and they're always blue. You see them here in the back. It's super fun to ride with them. This is Ibu Divi. Oh, okay, handshake. Gwynne is choosing whatever she needs.
Yang mana?
Ikan.
Jo, kecil Jo.
Kalau ini dua?
Ini foto dan dia ini.
Berat.
Ambil ke kita bawa foto kok mau di dua. Mana nanti Hanali?
They're probably wanting to take a photo again. This one is cute one. I looked like that when I was little.
Yeah?
Yeah.
With the hair?
Boleh enggak?
Mau selfie.
Oh,
Okay. Halo, apa kabar?
Apa kabar kata? Well, repot.
Copying me. Sudah?
Tunggu. Dapat tukang wartawan.
Alright, we're getting ready.
Hai, hai. Ini Miguel.
Miguel.
Halo.
Miguel. Umur berapa?
2 tahun.
2 tahun sudah.
2 tahun. Pintar. Ya.
Pintar.
Di situ Miguel.
Alright.
Ya, terima kasih.
Iya, sama-sama.
Kirim Pak kita. Coba bil pahan.
That is the Cakalang fish. It's usually, yeah, you often see it prepared like that. But this is the same fish. This is also Cakalang. I would say that's the signature move here. That's how you find it a lot. Actually, the difference between this and this is that this one is, as you can see, it's already prepared, it's smoked. And this is to make it last a bit longer than this fish, which is more fresh. Behind me you see a lot of Cakalang fish, which is kind of the staple food of all staple foods in Manado. You get Cakalang everywhere. It's in the noodles, it's in the rice, it's in a dish on the side. It's everywhere. And it's also my favorite fish. They are raw here, but you can see they're kind of cut in the middle and put on a stick.
We're now choosing some kangkong.
Or you don't choose the kangkong chooses you. So it just, what? No, Miranda? Oh no, that's not me.
No.
Even though he's calling me, just another day in Minahasa, where the sun never comes, but the rain always does.
Sama tomat dikit aja.
Mister.
Here we're at the place where we always buy our fruits.
Tulisan?
And then we get dragon fruits, papaya, mango, oranges and stuff like this. So this will be for our breakfast. Our breakfast is always at 12 because we do intermittent fasting. Today it's a bit later. And yeah, we just wanted to show you what we're buying and how we buy it, and that's here. And that's the fruit. So
Soalnya kerjanya
let's go and buy some dragon fruits. Buah naga.
Buah naga
Buah
ada.
naga satu.
Yang ini atau yang mana? Ini. Tuh
Iya,
kulitnya
yang
Iya,
besar.
Yang besar.
So,
Yang kecil.
ya, yang kecil aja.
Ini aku bawa aja kayak gini.
Jangan jatuh nanti rugi.
Turns out we're sitting down now and we have some snacks.
Tante Dewi bought this for us. She's treating us to some fried banana. So yeah. Terima kasih Tante.
Alright, when I came first here, when I first came here, I thought pisang goreng, fried bananas, it's very good on its own, sweet, and it's so weird for me to eat it with spicy, salty sambal. And the first time I tried it, it was weird, but then I kind of discovered the tastiness of it because the sambal itself is so tasty, so good, it just works well. You just get used to it very easily. And now I just love it. So, one day has passed and we finally made it to fulfill our promise today to show you our cooking. And Gwynne, what are we having today?
We're having Cakalang Rica.
Cakalang Rica, that's kind of a staple food in the region, isn't it?
Yeah, everyone eats that here. It's
Huh.
in a lot of restaurants and stuff. So yeah, let's prepare the food.
Just Gwynne, one question. What is actually cakalang?
It's a fish here.
Oh, it's a fish, and it is it here in the lake? Can you find it here in the lake?
We will find out from Google.
All right, so cakalang is a fish, and we eat it with rice, which grows right here. So only very local ingredients. And rica is the chili, the salsa, the stuff that you use, the sauce you make with chili. But probably 99% of you guys know that already. So let's get started.
Let's go.
We show you guys now our kitchen, which is an outdoor kitchen. Isn't that exciting? Let's go. All right, so let's have a look. Here's our wok, and that's the table it stands on. Here we have glasses, so that's all tables for cutting. In the back there is, I don't know why this is even on the table here, but yeah, here's what the cutting usually happens, and we can wash our stuff there. We don't always have water coming out of it, so that's why there's the water here, which we get it from outside there because we have sources of fresh but very hot water. So yeah, at the moment we have problem with water. It's always a bit problematic. It is, the pump is sometimes working, sometimes not. It's a mystery really, and so we will improvise as always. And let's take a look at the fridge. You have all the fruits. No, not even all of the fruits we eat. And here, behind that, you have our beautiful view here. Look at this. There's the pool. And over there's the lake. And yeah, let's go inside, guys.
Nice.
Look how cute she's smiling.
Babe.
Look at this smile. Look at this.
Let's take the fish out of the plastic. So we have our fish already cut from the market. We asked them for a favor. If like, you know, they could cut it for us. This is the cakalang fish. So this is probably enough. And what we will do is we will drench the fish inside this orange thing. They call it fish orange here, if I translate it to English. It's orange, unlike the lime.
Yeah.
You know?
Alright.
So what I see them do all the time is like they drench the fish with this, and then we'll let it sit for a while, basically.
In the meantime, it started raining again. Because there's no other single day that's without rain. And it's sad a bit. It's sad. Anyway, back to cooking.
This is what I see people make, and the guys in the market also taught me how, and they would remind me how to do it every single week I go there. So this is how, so first you do this, first you do that. And so yeah, after trials and errors, this is what I could do here.
She's doing great, I have to tell you guys. Believe me, she is doing a very good job.
Yeah.
She's probably one of the best cooks in this house. Because there's only 2 people, it's me and her, and obviously I am not the cook here. She doesn't let me.
So yeah.
I sometimes offer to cook, but she's always like, oh no, well, it's fine, I'm enjoying it. That's why I'm learning today with you guys.
So now we will finally cut this thing we're gonna use for the fish sauce. So it would be tomatoes and red onions. And we only use a little bit of chili because I don't have a high spicy tolerance, so this is all we're gonna use. And also a little bit of garlic. So let's get cutting, shall we?
What should I cut?
Do you wanna cut something?
Well,
You can grab a knife and, you know, but other than that you can just, you know, wait while doing something else. If you want. You can cut the tomatoes if you want.
oh, nice.
There you go.
I can't wait to cut some tomatoes using a big knife. I'm a big guy with little tomatoes. Is there any way you want to have it cut?
Just not too big, not too small.
Oh damn, that gives me a lot of freedom, you know, that this could go wrong, horribly wrong. Because actually, what is the definition of big and what is really small? What does big and small mean to you? We don't have a reference. It's more likely that it's too big or too small. Because I don't know what is big and what is small.
Well,
Should it be lengthy? Should it be small?
just cut it into medium-sized squares.
What is medium size? Medium related to the tomato?
That's a little bit bigger, my love.
What? I thought it's for Rica.
Yeah, it's for Rica.
How is this size?
That's a good size.
See, that's how a good size looks like.
This is very spicy
Probably not.
to me.
Well, I grew up in a very spicy loving family. Now it's time for the Cancun. There it is.
Oh my god, such a mess. Like there's still like these bits of tomatoes here. But yeah. You picked a nice Cancun, babe.
Thanks.
I think everything is prepared now. But yeah, now it's fry time, baby. So yeah, this is the part I hate the most. Because like oil is going to...
Oh yeah, please take a step back. Everyone.
Now it's waiting. It's in there now.
Okay.
I'll just leave it. It would pop like... And then we wait until it stops popping. And then after that we take it out. Up here. So yeah, there you go. And now we will go do take this and this to tumbuk tumbuk. I'll show you.
All right, I can't wait to see that. Tumbu tumbu sounds like a music instrument. Tumbu, tumbu, tumbu. Can I do this?
Sure.
Nice.
So you put the rica and the garlic inside this thing, and then you just like mash it.
Right. Okay, let's go. Garlic rica. This.
Yes. Those two. Make sure you have everything inside. Mash away.
What's the name of this thing again?
I have no clue. I
Tingu
forgot.
tumbu? I thought.
I just say tumbu tumbu.
Oh, tumbu tumbu.
Careful.
Crunchy, crunchy, making
Not too
richa,
hard, babe,
crunchy,
because it's gonna fall out.
crunchy, crunchy, making richa. Yeah, yeah. Everybody should have this little music instrument here. My great musical work is now on the plate here, and it's getting ready to mash together, right?
Yeah. We
Yeah.
will be getting ready for the fish. Take the fish out, put this thing in, and
Nice. Let's go.
that's you. Yeah.
Oh, I can smell it. It smells so good.
Ow! This can hurt me. Oh God.
Cakalang is very good because it's very widely available here, and it doesn't have much bones. Oh no, I think something is exploding. I think something is exploding here.
Yeah, it's normal.
Okay.
So the fish is done. Gonna let it simmer. Looking good.
I did this in the end, so I don't know if that's...
Yeah.
I
it's
start
really
doing this
cute.
since it's becoming so long. I don't know how it suits me.
Yeah, I like it. You're cute.
Thank you.
Can I touch it?
Sure.
Nice. You must like doing that. It feels nice.
Yeah.
So next we will put the red onion first. Yeah. Now we put this in, the garlic and the chili peppers. Put it in. Mix it all up. All the spices is in there now.
Nice.
So everything is all mixed together, and it's time to put the fish in.
Fish time.
Fish time. So there we go.
So it's time for the kangkung. Nice. There you go. Some more onions.
Garlic.
That's more garlic here in the pan. Water spinach kangkung in Bahasa Indonesia, which is kind of the most staple vegetable you can get.
Yeah, it's everywhere in Indonesia.
And I really like it, especially the way Gwynne makes it.
Oh, babe.
Alright guys, alright, it's time for the final chapter in this video, and that's right, bye bye. Just kidding. Now we are going to show you what we are eating, or how we're eating, because you already know what we're eating. Except for, and you know that we just prepared this, the Rica with the Cakalang, that is the kangkung, and here's also vegetables, carrots, beans left over from yesterday. Let's have some of this amazing fish.
I sure hope it's good.
I am very sure it's good. Let's go. Tension, tension, drum roll. I'm trying.
How is it?
Mmm. So good. Now it's time for the fish.
Honest.
Of course it's good, like always.
Shout out to all the ladies at the market for sort of teaching me how to do this stuff and giving me tips.
This is how my plate looks like now. And well, we were just finishing up now, enjoying our dinner here after all the hard work. And this concludes our video, so we hope that you enjoyed all this and watching. Maybe you've learned something, maybe you know how it works and you're just laughing how we do this.
Yeah.
But in any way, if you like this kind of content, it would be great if you leave a like, or if you'd already left a like, just follow us so you get more to see of our adventures here in Minahasa, Indonesia, and in general. So see you in the next video.
See ya.
Bye bye.